What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back another. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna bring us up today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I got an RC boat. You dig? This is remote control. You back another banger, man. So yeah, sir. But Chris in the building. See that remote control? Let's see. So, number one thing. I'm gonna show you how next video. Probably gonna be about how to drift on an RC boat. Teach you how to drift on an RC boat. First thing about the remote control, batteries. One of the batteries. Take 4 batteries. AA batteries. Now I'm saying, bang on the trap for y'all. See that? Trigger, reverse, forward. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is the lighting, cause it's light, and you drive it just like you drive any other thing, car, truck, whatever. Just like driving thing. This the lighting, cause the boat light up. I have normal lights, and just turn it on, and this is to go right or left, steering right or left. This is a speed, and this, look, it might start blinking, kind of how my boat is right now, and there it is, kind of how my boat in the water. You go to water, turn on. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to drift with it. And this is to turn sharp and drift, and this is forward, reverse, and right or left. Y'all see it, right or left. Speed, lighting to turn off the light or turn it on, whatever. And this is forward, back, stereo, and take batteries. Yeah, that's about it. Peace. See you on the next video.